Friday the 13th of October 2006. They predicted 3 inches of lake effect snow. We have 22 right now. Pretty much every tree on the street is not a tree anymore. Basically 90% of the branches have fallen down. I can't even see down the street. I don't even know what I'm looking at. Basically the entire city of Buffalo is in a state of emergency. Can't plow because there's branches and cars. They've been trying. I heard a couple plows got stuck because they weren't prepared for 22 inches of snow. Broke a record for the most amount of snow in October, ever in October. That was last night when we had 8 inches. Now it's up to 22, almost 2 feet of snow. Yeah, that's my little sister sitting on a snowbank that is taller than her. It's probably about 40 to 50 degrees out right now. Not bad, 40 degrees. This is Foystead Avenue right here. The street actually got plowed. This one's not as bad. As you can see though, most of the tree branches have fallen down. Especially looking down this street. If you just look this entire street, all the trees are just, there's no trees left. They've all been broken from the weight of the snow. You can see most of the leaves are still green. They haven't even turned colors yet. So that contributed to it. I'm going to walk down to the corner here to one of the busier streets, Beach Road. I think that one might have been plowed, but it's still supposed to be, there's a traffic ban. You're not supposed to be driving at all in and around Buffalo. I heard as of last night, before our power shut off, there were 103,000 customers in Buffalo and the surrounding suburbs without power. Now we are one of them. According to the news this morning, we might not get our power back until Monday or later in the week, so it could be almost a week without power. There's still unplowed streets right here. I'm walking through snow halfway up my shins. There's some cars buried in the snow. Luckily there's no trees that have fallen on them. Apparently, as of last night, there's one tree-related injury. There's a couple plows that were reported stuck. I guess before. One of them tried coming down our street, but there are so many branches, there's no way they could get through. And their wheel started spinning when they tried to pull out. So this is Beach Road right here. There's a power line down right there, so I probably shouldn't be walking right there. You can see the roadblocks, so you're not supposed to be driving. Found that last night. We couldn't turn down our street because that section of Beach Road was blocked off due to down power lines, which are all over the place, which is why there are so many people without power. So this is normally a very busy road. Haven't even got down here to plow because none of the plows can get down here, they're stuck, and because of the down power lines. So now it just looks like some old country road, which is very out of character. You can see down there, just unplowed streets forever. And just the destruction is horrible. And this is October. We haven't done Halloween stuff yet. And so it's pretty much the weirdest weather ever. is just ridiculous. It can take you back into trees behind the house. Probably most of them are now been completely destroyed.